beautiful people, it's me, Kiera, here from the K Studio, and I'm just coming to you guys to show you how I literally salvaged my Marilyn Monroe. I actually purchased this cup from my local Goodwill store, I want to say maybe about 2 years ago, and when I purchased the cup, I fell in love with the cup. I loved it. I ended up dropping the cup one day. I was getting out of my car and I dropped the cup on the ground and it literally broke into pieces. So at that point, I began to get a smidget curious as to where I could get another acrylic tumbler from. So I found this cup right here I actually purchased from Dollar Tree. The little glitter inside, it's like a whole bunch of them that I purchased at the time. It had like gold, black. I went online to Google, typed in DIY tumbler or blank tumbler, and a link to an Amazon cup or a cup that was on Amazon popped up. So of course I was super excited, and the cup that popped up was this cup that this is in. I think I bought like two. They were like $5 a piece or something. I'll post the links to that cup below, but these were like $5. This cup right here, I'm going to actually show you guys why this cup is so cute, was so beneficial to me, because this cup and this actually comes out, and the top and the straw that are on this cup were the ones that I bought from my Dollar Tree with the glitter cup, and I just thought it kind of went better for what I was doing, because as you can see on Marilyn's insert, she has red lips, so why not put the red with the red? And it's just so cute together. So anyway, this cup, it unscrews. As you can see, it has a screw here that literally screws back into the bottom of this, so very beneficial for what I needed it for. This insert, like I said, it came out of a broken cup that I dropped onto the ground, and literally this insert is like super cute. Anyway, just wanna drop this down in here. I will post all of I've been actually making these cups too, so it's very beneficial to me, and I definitely use the insert to make an outline of another cup of what I was trying to, or another design of what I was trying to do. So it actually came out pretty cool, and I will make another video maybe tomorrow and show you guys how to do that. But anyway, just going to screw this back in here. I'm going to use a tab of my Scotch super glue. I'm just going to glue my sides down a little bit, and this is clear glue, so when you go to actually twist this in, I'm going to take the top and stuff off. I'm just going to twist this in there, make sure everything is lining up with everything. Twist it till you can't get it, till you can't move it no more. Twist it, make sure it's super tight, make sure you can't untwist it, and I can't untwist it right now because the glue is probably super dry and it's really quick. That glue is really quick. So with this, you see everything is really tight. You kind of can't see that glue. You cannot see the glue because it was like, it's clear glue, so you can't see it. It's dried up in there really quickly though. So I'm gonna insert the straw from off my Dollar Tree glitter cup. I'm gonna insert the straw right in there. I'm gonna insert this top. I'm gonna twist it right on around. And there you have it. My cup is literally brand spanking new. I did all of this for literally like under $10. Super easy, super fast, and you can actually like make your own cups and begin to sell your own cups if that's something that you would be into. If you want to see more videos, then please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos, you guys. Add me on Facebook, which I'll leave everything below. So see you later, next video.